What's up, guys? I'm here in the studio trying to edit my video that I recorded in late August. It's not a turkey video, right? But it's all good. I made a tripa video. I made tripas before, and tripas are freaking fire, in my opinion. But I wanted to make tripas on the Santa Maria grill, aka Gabby Grills. I will put his Junior. I'll put all his information down in the bottom, so you guys can get your own Gabby grills. And on top of that, Rick, my brother Rick, because he did tripas on the Weber. He just did it a little bit different than I did. I'm also gonna put a link in the description down below so you guys can go check out his video. Let's make some tripa tacos on the Santa Maria grill. First, we're gonna put some water in the tripa, and that's how we clean them. See that? The water's pretty clean, and these are done. All right, guys. So this is gonna go on the grill. So this will shrink about half its size. So we'll go somewhere around this length right here. We're gonna just cut them just like that. That looks pretty good. Something like that. It just depends, guys, how big your grill is. So if you cut them really small, you have a big chance of them falling in. We're gonna grill these. Usually you fry these, but I want to test out the Gabby grills. All I have is some table salt right here. I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna let this chill out in the refrigerator. Let's go get that fire started. Alright, guys, this is my new Gabby grill attachment for my Weber 22-inch. It's a freaking badass Santa Maria style grill. Gabby Grills. Shout out to Junior. Shout out to Alex. I met these two guys in Pismo Beach about a month ago. Los Tres Guapos. So we're gonna just go ahead and season it up. I mean, this is killer, man. Has a little knob there. Scroll down. Scroll down. The pit goes down. Well built. So this is pretty much how we're gonna season it. I got some Pam. I'm gonna just spray this on the grate, on the grill grate. It's been sitting out here in my backyard for like over a month. Put a little oil there so that squeaking can stop. There we go. And then we're also gonna spray the bottom of the grate. Just like this, guys. And that's pretty much seasoning it up. You already know I rock the fire cups. Today I am using some red oak. I'll put his link in the description so you can get your own. I'm gonna just put it right here, right in the middle. Light that bad boy up. That's it. That's all you need. One fire cup. I did add another split of oak. We're gonna just go ahead and clean the grates. It's pretty much the whole grill seasoned. There's a little bit over on that side. It's no big deal. The thing about a Santa Maria style pit. I'm gonna go ahead and unlock this. Whoops. And raise this bad boy up because I want the flames to lick the tripas. I do have 2 longanizas. It's like a chorizo, guys. We're gonna put this right here. Add our tripas, our tripitas. And they're gonna shrink, guys. We might get a grease fire. So, I already can see it. Let me raise it up a little bit more. All right, that's pretty high right there. Oh yes, baby. I've never made them this way, but I can only imagine how good they're going to be. Like I said earlier, usually you boil these with a bunch of spices until they get fork tender, and then you fry them up. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these because they're getting a little color already. Very nice. Look at this. Gorgeous. Look at that. All that fat is starting to render. All right, guys, this is what I did. Put them in an aluminum tray. I did add a little bit of olive oil. I want them crispy. And we're almost there, guys. We're pretty much there, guys. Just kind of dry them out a little bit. Cut them up in little pieces. Some of it's crunchy. I like mine a little bit more crunchy, but this was fine. Pretty crunchy, right? This is the way I like them. Like that, super crunchy. There's another one. Gorgeous, guys, just gorgeous. Do it like my grandfather used to do it. He would dip his chip in a mojaquete, and then you get a little bit of pepitas on there, a little bit of longaniza. Look at that, guys. Is that a bite or what? Cheers. Oh man. Well, gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. Check this out, guys. Make it count. Time is precious. So make sure you spend it with your loved ones. I'll catch you guys next week. See you guys later.